Eternal is our consciousness. Eternal is our being, our essence, our essential nature, what religions call God. What we call God is just consciousness, being consciousness. It's our essential nature. You all, we feel that we exist. The sense of existence, it does not belong to the physical form, to the ego and mind in general. Existence is our very essential nature, which is also pure consciousness or awareness. In my terminology, consciousness and awareness in most of the time have the same meaning. So consciousness being is our essential nature, and we identify this sense of existence with the physical form, and we feel that we exist as a physical body, mind, person. And this is the greatest delusion.